Baby Tyler has the hiccups. Oh. Dad.
They're electrifying.
Get that thing out of my face.
I don't know what it is. I don't like.
Poor little guy.
Poor little sailor.
Oh.
You did before.
Oh, it messed up your yawn. Mean old hiccups.
Like every 3 seconds.
Oh. Hey, Bobo. My little guy. Hmm.